Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Super Bowl makeup tutorial. It's that time of year again. So this one is really versatile since both teams are very similar colors. If you wanted to make it more Tampa Bay, you could do silver on the lid, but I did gold for the Chiefs. So I'm starting out with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm taking just this peachy shade. It's a lighter shade, and just running it through my crease on a big fluffy brush, just so we have something there. And then I am going to go into this red shade here and pop that sort of in the outer half of my eye on a flatter, more fluffy little brush. And I'm just patting and then blending upwards. Next I'm going to take this burgundy shade. It's a much deeper shade on a smaller fluffy brush. And I'm going to give myself a little bit of insurance here by placing some loose powder under my eye to catch any fallout that we might have. And again, I'm just kind of patting on and then slowly blending up and out just to get that to diffuse into the other colors that we used before. Now I'm taking the brush that I used that first red color on, and I'm just going right over the edges, and then I'm dipping right into the black on a smaller fluffy brush and just very, very slowly and carefully flicking that black shade from my lash line upward towards where that burgundy first started. And again, just going over with my first brush with the red just to blend those shades out. Now it's time for the gold. You could do silver here too if you want to do a Buccaneers look, but I'm doing the Chiefs today. And I'm just applying that with my finger so it's nice and metallic. The oils from your skin actually make the shades a little bit more metallic if you didn't know. So give it a good tap with your finger and it will make it nice and beautiful. And then I'm just dusting away that extra loose powder under my eye and reapplying just a little bit of highlight on my finger. Grabbing my liner now, and I am just giving it a quick little line with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is my favorite liner. It is so good, so precise, so little and perfect. Now I'm taking a black pencil liner, anyone will do, and I'm just running this in my waterline just to make it nice and dark. And then I'm taking my black shade on a flat definer brush and just running that on the outer half of my lower lash line just to deepen it up a little bit, and then doing the same thing and connecting the rest of the way with the burgundy just to make it kind of match the top a little bit. Then I'm grabbing that very first red shade on the small fluffy brush and just running that all the way across just to match the top, and then taking my big fluffy blending brush with no extra product and just blending it all out and running it towards the top and meshing it with the top. Then I'm taking my Colourpop flexitarian highlighter. This is my favorite, on just a little brush, popping it in the inner corner. Now I'm just curling my lashes, getting them ready for mascara and falsies. Here's the mascara. I'm just running that on both the top and the bottom lashes. Now I'm popping on a pair of false lashes. You don't have to do this step, but I think it adds just a little extra something, but you are more than welcome to leave it at just mascara and it's gonna look just as beautiful. And that's it. This is the finished look for our 2021 Super Bowl tutorial, Kansas City Chiefs versus Tampa Bay. Whatever your heart desires, this look can be whatever you want it to be. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!